Good morning, guys. In this video I'll show you really quick how to recover your Piaproxy IPs. Okay, maybe you wake up one day, you see that okay, you like they take 5 IPs from your balance, or you connect to one IP and the IP does not work. You did not use it, you just try to connect and your network is, and whenever you connect your network stops working, nothing happens. So you don't really have to worry. Your IPs are, any IP that does not work for you, there's a way you can recover those IPs back to your balance. Okay, so as far as you did not use the IP, you just connected and the IP is not working at all, just don't worry, your IP is not lost. After 2 days you get your IPs back. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. When you come to this socks 5, right, that page that you used to load your IP, when you come there, you will see this invalid IP list. Okay, you will see this invalid IP list. If you cannot see it, just make sure you are viewing on desktop mode. Okay, make sure you are viewing on desktop mode. How to view your account on desktop mode? You click on these three, icon at the top right here on your browser. You click on it. No, this one is still writing. You click on it. Okay, you see this desktop site. You see this desktop site, right? You view it on desktop. You click, you make sure it is checked so that you view it on desktop mode. Okay, so in case you are not seeing it, your own is looking different from my own. Oh, this is what you are going to do. I don't want to hear any, it's not, they have changed the website. Okay, so once you are here, like I said, socks 5 proxy, you click on this invalid list. All right, so if I click on this invalid, any IP that I have not used now that misbehave in the last few days will show here. Okay, will show here. You see, IP, the invalid IP return functions is valid for 30 days. If it exceeds 30 days, the returnable IP balance will be cleared. Okay, that means any IP that you did not redeem from here, you did not return from here, is going to be cleared. Okay, let me show you something else. Let me show you how many days it will take for your IP to go there. Information. Okay, you see, the bound IP is used, and if the bound IP is used and no traffic is generated, that means yes, you did not use it to do anything, it does not work, you did not do anything, you can apply for refund of the balance of the corresponding IP in the invalid list after 2 days. Not the one that you use for 5 minutes, it worked for 5 minutes and it stopped working. Oh, no. But as far as you did not use any traffic, nothing worked at all, it is going to show up here, and you are going to refund it. Let us refund. Let me show you this balance. This account has a balance of how many IPs? You see one IP here, right? So let us go back and refund and see invalid list. Okay, once you are here, you click on this refunds, all refunds, all returned. Okay, once you click on it, everything is going to be returned for your balance. Let's check our balance. Go back now. Which kind of phone that they use like this? Okay, you can see the IP balance is now 3 IPs. Okay, we now have 3 IPs on this account, and that is how you return your IPs. Okay, that's how you get your IPs back, and you keep doing this. If you use any IP that is giving you issue, don't worry, keep doing your thing. After 2 days you come back here, or you can just make it a routine, something every 7 days you'll be coming back here to retrieve your IPs, and that's how it works. See you guys in the next video.